Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID and password are at hand because you'll enter them immediately. Once done, open iTunes and confirm it's updated. Outdated software blocks sign-in steps. Make sure you're on a reliable network so downloads and verifications don't fail. If you're on Windows, run iTunes as administrator to avoid permission prompts. Now click Account in the menu bar to reveal sign-in options, and proceed to the login screen to enter credentials. You'll enter your Apple ID and password at the sign-in prompt. This links your account to iTunes. If two-factor authentication appears, check a trusted device for the numeric code and enter it. This step secures purchases and syncs. Next, review Apple's terms and agree to continue, then confirm or add a payment method and billing address. iTunes uses this for purchases and subscriptions. Make sure details match the Apple ID country to prevent regional issues. After signing in, verify the connection by opening Account View My Account. You should see your name and payment info. Then authorize this computer in iTunes so you can play purchased content and sync or re-download past purchases as needed. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: reset your Apple ID password from iForget. Apple. Calm and retry. Also check Apple's system status for outages. If two-factor codes don't arrive, ensure trusted device internet or resend the code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.